High volume levels are characteristics of market tops when there is a strong consensus that prices will continue to move higher. So, high volume levels indicate that price will continue to move higher. Your goal in initiating a short swing is to sell stock short at top or peak of one of the rallies and then ride the position back to lower limit of stock's downward sloping trading range. At that point, you take your profits by covering short position, that is buying the stock back. A candlestick chart showing a stock in the downtrend, that is conducive to short swing trading, uh, looks like this. According to definition, a stock is considered to have a gap up when it opens higher than previous day's close by 50 cents or more. Likewise, it is considered to have gap down anytime it opens 50 cents or more or below prior day close. Trade or selling short, you would enter your order approximately 5 minutes after market opens only when stock gaps up by 50 cents or more from the previous day's close. Always wait a few minutes before acting just to allow the market to get over its opening and begin breathing normally. Swing Tracker 4.0 is a software package designed specifically for swing and day traders. It features the necessary hookup for direct access and current quotes, then real-time intraday charting capacity and screens that allow you to scan a given universe of stocks for trading opportunities based on a wide variety of criteria, including more than 2 dozens key indicator. Other special features includes automatic application of equivolume and forex and force index indicators on charts. If desired, pre-designed stock scans you can use if you don't want to specify your own criteria, and real-time alerts to swing trading opportunities.